Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm bringing you guys my Walmart Ibotta haul. I filled up the sheet, you guys. This is how many deals I had. I got a lot. I wasn't expecting to go crazy, but I was just like, man, the thing is, like, I don't need half of this stuff, but I want to share with you guys as many deals as I can. And I'm a person who I rather have the physical product to make sure I can share with you guys my experience if something like didn't go my way or something like that. But that's just what I do. A lot of the stuff I do donate. So the other day I donated a ton of macaroni and cheese and cereal to a couple of families in need. So I have a whole entire, like, it looks like a 31 bag, but it's actually a DSW bag that I got for free. It is filled to the brim with stuff. So I'm going to kind of share with you guys as I go. So the Schick razor, this was $8.68. You guys want to use a $3 off coupon that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. The coupon did beep or didn't scan, but it doesn't say. I read it and this one looked like it was going strong, so she overruled the coupon for me. So you guys would pay $5.68 for this. You would get a submit a $4 rebate with Ibotta, making this just $1.68. So a lot of you guys like getting razors for free. I think $1.68 for a razor is a pretty good deal, and my husband likes using that. Now here's a great moneymaker for you guys. So the Deslum is $10.47. There's currently a $4 off printable coupon from coupons.com that you guys want to print off. You would pay $6.47 for this. I got the grape flavor because I thought grape would be better than orange for us. There's actually two different $2 off rebates with Ibotta, so you guys would get $4 back with Ibotta. And you get 1,000 points with Shopkick, which is equivalent to $4. So this bad boy right here becomes a $1.53 moneymaker. So if you guys need some medicine, definitely go ahead and do that. I got the Renewzits. The Renewzits are 97 cents. You guys want to buy two of them. You would pay $1.94 for both of these, but then you can submit a 97-cent off a two rebate with Ibotta, making them just 97 cents. I did have a 10-cent any receipt for that, so technically it would be 87 cents, but it just depends on what deal you guys want to do. I got this Summer Eves Active whatever. These were $2.48. You guys want to use a $1 off printable coupon from Summer's Eves. Now if you guys don't know, go to Lozo, L-O-Z-O, and you just type in the product you're looking for and it'll take you exactly to that site. That's my go-to site anytime I'm trying to find a specific coupon. But yeah, you guys want to use a $1 off printable coupon. You would pay $1.48, but then you can submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making them just 48 cents. So my friend always takes these every time I give them to her. So I got the hauls, you guys, hauls. Now this is a cheaper deal if you do both of these, but I wanted to get as many different rebates, and some of you guys might want different things. So this was $1.64 and this was $3.98. I used a $1.50 off a two coupon that we just got from our inserts last week. You guys would pay $4.12 for the both of these, but you can submit a 75-cent rebate for this one or a $1 rebate for this one. Makes both of these just $2.37 or $1.18 a piece. If you guys buy two of these instead, it comes out to be just 28 cents for two of them. But I wanted to try these just in case Ben got sick or something. He loves suckers, so I don't know if this would ever help. And it doesn't expire till September, so we'll see how it goes this winter. So I ended up getting the Suave shampoo and conditioner. Both of these were $1.98. You guys want to buy both of them. You would pay $3.96, but then you get 520 points for purchasing and scanning the product, and you get 520 points for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $2.08. So right there is a moneymaker. But if you guys buy both of these together, you'll get an additional 200 points, which is 80 cents. So this right here becomes a $1 moneymaker. You guys will get a $1 profit off of this. So in case you guys need some free shampoo and conditioner. I got the Muscle Mac. This was $1.88. You would pay $1.88 for this. You can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making them just $1.38. My husband's tried this one time, and he said he liked it. So go for it, Graham. Go for it. I got the Honey Stinger Waffle. This was $1.18. Now this is located in the sports section. If you guys are not sure where the sports section is, it's kind of where like all the basketballs and athletic stuff is sold. But $1.18, you would pay $1.18 for this, but then you can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it just 68 cents. You guys need that. I also got the rum gum. This is $1.88. You would pay $1.88, but then you can submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making it just 88 cents. Some of you guys said this gum tastes like crap, but I have yet to try it. I've given it away. Now here's a cool little deal that you guys want to do. Last week I did hair ties. I think, yeah, I did some kind of hair tie. I put it away already. But I ended up getting a hairbrush because you can always use a hairbrush. And then I got these rubber band things again. So this was 98 cents and this was $2.97. You guys want to buy both of them, you would pay $3.95, but you both get 270 points for buying each one and scanning each one, which is equivalent to $1.08. But when you guys buy both of them, you'll get an additional 300 points, which is $1.20. So both of these come out to be 59 cents for together. 59 cents for both of these. I think that's a pretty good deal. So can always go with another hairbrush. That's a great deal. I ended up doing the Quaker instant oatmeal. This was 98 cents. You would pay 98 cents for this. You can submit a 25-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it just 73 cents. I got this one right here. This is a medley, Quaker medley. This is $1.50. You would pay $1.50. You guys can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it $1. So if you guys need to go ahead and do that. Now I did a Kraft macaroni and cheese because it never ends in my house. These were 88 cents. You guys want to buy two of them, you would pay $1.76. Then I have a Ibotta rebate for $1 off of two, making these 76 cents or just 38 cents a piece. Some of you guys have different rebates for Kraft. I don't know if it depends on what you get, what rebates we redeem or what. I have no idea, but if you guys need to go ahead and get some more macaroni and cheese. Now, I totally read this wrong because this is what I've been doing forever, is I've been getting the Velveeta shells and cheese, okay? So these are $2.73. Well, actually, I had $1.25 off of one, which I did not realize. So if you guys just bought one of them, you would get this for $1.48 a piece, which is a pretty good deal. So stupid me ended up buying two thinking I'd get $1.25, but that's not the way it is. You get $1.25 for each one, making each one $1.48. So if you guys need some macaroni and cheese, go for it. Now I went cat food crazy again because my cat's a pig and we don't know what's going on with this virus or anything. Like they are talking about shutting things down. I don't think they will, but you never know. But this Meow Mix was $5.52. You would pay $5.52 for this, but then you can submit a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it $4.77 or just 39 cents a cup. Now, my thing is, this is the cups that I've been feeding my cat for years. She loves cups. She's just obsessed with them. And if I can get any savings for these, I'm gonna totally do it. I mean, 75 cents is not much, but you know what? 75 cents is like almost like 2 cups for her. So, you know, I get 2 cups basically for free. So I had to get that deal. I ended up also doing the individual cups. Now these were 48 cents a piece. You guys want to buy 4 of them. You would pay $1.92 for 4 of them, but then you can submit a 50-cent off of 4 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.42 or just 35 cents a cup. So, like I said, my cat is a pig, and you guys have seen it. She's a pig. She just loves those cups. So, I like to make my cat happy. You know, she can't hear anymore, but I like to have some happiness in my little girl. And I'm just dropping these cups like crazy. I did the 2-pack. These were 72 cents. You guys need to buy 3 of them. You would pay $2.16 for 3 of them, but then you get a 75-cent off of 3 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.41 or just 47 cents a piece. And then I got the big one. Yeah, last week I couldn't find it. It was right behind me. But anyways, I got another big one. This was $10.97. You guys would pay $10.97 for this, but then you can submit a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta, making it just $9.47 or 39 cents a piece for a cup. So my cat's very happy. She just loves getting cups, and I like to stock up on cups because we'll be going bone dry without cups for a long time. I still buy them for her, but just not for just regular price. I got the Haribo gummies. These were each $1 a piece. Now these ones are located up by the registers. So you guys want to buy 2 of them. You would pay $2 for this, but then you can submit a 50-cent off a 2 rebate with Ibotta, making them just $1.50 or 75 cents a piece. Now these are good things to give the kids for their stockings. So I might do that, give them to their stockings or something. I'm not sure, but I think that's a great deal if you guys need some last minute stocking deals. I got the Biotene. The Biotene is, where is it? $3.84. I used a $1 off printable coupon that you guys can find from the Biotene website. Again, just go to lazo.com and it'll take you right there. So you guys would pay $2.84, but there's currently a $2.50 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 34 cents. So it's been a while since I bought Biotene, but 34 cents. Now I ended up getting this smart light bulb. It says it goes for Google. I'm not sure. Okay, it looks like you can do it without Google. I have to download the app. We'll see. I don't know if this goes with Alexa or not, but if it works with Google, we'll just see. I have Google on my phone, so it might work. But this is a smart light bulb. Now, this was $12.94. They also have a $7.88 one, but my store was completely sold out of the $7.88. But $12.94, you would pay $12.94, but there is currently a Shopkick deal for 2,025 points, which is equivalent to $8.10. So if you guys buy this, this comes out to be just $4.84. Now the thing is, with this, you guys can basically tell it to shut the light bulb off, turn the light bulb on. So if this doesn't work, I may or may not return this, or I'll see if anybody else needs it. But yeah, I really wanted to get this $8 one. The difference is this is a tunable white, or tunnable white. Otherwise, the other one is a soft white, so I don't really know what the difference was, but in case you guys need to do that. I ended up getting the Pure Leaf tea. Now, this was $1.98. You would pay $1.98 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making it just 98 cents if you guys need to do that. I got the last of these Snuggle shakes, you guys. Like, they only had 2 left, and I got the last 2. So these have been on, like, some kind of sale or clearance or whatever for $3. You guys would pay $3 for this, but then you can submit a $2.50 rebate with Ibotta, making these just 50 cents, which I think is a great deal. So I've been just stocking up on those Snuggle shakers like crazy, but my store no longer has any more unless they have them hidden somewhere else. I ended up getting these Snuggle Super Care. Now this was $3.97. I used a $1 off printable coupon. Again, just Lazo it. There's some special website that you guys can print off different coupons from it. You guys want to use a $1 off coupon, you would pay $2.97 for this, but then you can submit a $2.50 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 46 cents. So 46 cents for this Snuggle stuff I think is a pretty good deal. I told Graham, I'm like, that stuff I'm like super excited to use. So I got that. I got a couple more deals for you guys. So I went crazy and I bought all 4 jumbo snacks. I wanted to try these out. So I got these. These are each $4.98. I used a $1 off. There's printable coupons. Otherwise, my store all had Peely coupons, and I ended up taking all the Peely coupons off the products that I got. So I took them all off. I took the 4 Peelys off these 4 products. So you guys would end up paying $3.98 for one of these, but then you can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta, and you guys can submit 385 points for purchasing and buying the product on Shopkick, which is equivalent to $1.54. So one of these you guys would get for 44 cents. The other 3, if you do the deal I did, the other 3 would be $1.92 each. So I think $1.92 for 12 snacks I think is a pretty good deal. I love the Fruit Loops. I'm excited to try the Corn Pops. I haven't tried the Frosted Flakes yet or the Apple Jacks, but I was excited to do that deal. I ended up doing the Stay Free deal. Now this deal ends very soon, so if you guys can get to the store right away, go for it. This was $2.72. You guys need to buy 2 of them. You would use a 2 off of 2 coupon from the Stay Free website. Again, lazo.com will take you right there. $3.44 is the price you pay, but then you can submit a $1.50 rebate and a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta, making both of these just 44 cents. So 22 cents for a pack of pads. I think is a pretty good deal. And it's been a while since I bought feminine products. I feel like I haven't bought hardly any at all. I ended up getting the Frosted Flakes cereal. This was $2.32. I used $1 off a 2 printable coupon from coupons.com. You would pay $3.64 for both of these, but then you can submit a 45-cent rebate and a 45-cent rebate with Ibotta. And then you get 300 points for purchasing the product. I didn't have any scans, but I just had it for purchasing the product, which comes to $1.20. So my grand total would be $1.54 or 77 cents a box. Great deal. Now you guys could have done a different box of cereal if you wanted to. I just got 2 of the same because it's just easier when I share with the breakdowns with you guys with that. And I got one more deal to share with you guys. I got this little Afrin. This is $4.98. I used $1 off coupon that we got that's from I think it's from Afrin, but you guys can just go to Laza, it'll take you right to it. You would pay $3.98 for this, but then you can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta, and you guys can submit 1,020 points for Shopkick, which is equivalent to $4.08. So this bad boy right here comes to be a $2.10 moneymaker. So I got that all for free. So that was my haul, you guys. I went as fast as I could. My total came to $118.52. I usually redeem a Ibotta gift card and then I redeem a Shopkick gift card while I'm at the store, depending on how much I have to pay. But I ended up getting $47.07 back with Ibotta. I ended up getting 36 rebates. I need 4 more rebates to finish another bonus that they had. But I didn't check the date when that ends. With Shopkick, I got 6,825 points, which is equivalent to $27.30. I hit the one bonus, the hike, which I needed 24 rebates to get a $5 bonus, which I got. I finished level 3, so I got $2. And then I got a jumbo snacks bonus for buying more than 2 of that, so I got $1 back with that. So my grand total came to $36.15. I got 46 items at just 78 cents a piece. Yes. My daughter just came down here. So I think it was a pretty good deal. I always want to try to get under 20 bucks, but for considering all this stuff, the thing that costs the most is the cat food. That's what's getting me. If I didn't buy like this $10 thing of cat food or the $5 thing of cat food, my price would be a lot cheaper than that. But I honestly need cat food and I'm not passing that up. But everybody else needs different items. But yeah, definitely check out some of those freebies if you guys can do it. I love to help you guys save some money. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you. I don't know if I'm going to do a video next week. It all depends on Ibotta rebates. I might go Wednesday. I don't know. I'm going to play it by ear. We will see. And then I don't know about the New Year's. I'm going to be out of town, but I probably will be back by the time that happens. So I just want to give you guys a heads up. Thanks for watching. And can you say bye-bye? Say bye. We'll see you guys later.